Yes.
Hey guys, what's up? So let me give you a little bit of update on what's been happening with me, right? Now, the project Portmore that I'll be doing for Active Standout Universe, right? I know I had initially said it was supposed to be an Independence Day, but I didn't get the drone at that time, so obviously, I couldn't do the project yet because some of the footage that I want to use, honestly, it will include the drone. I go at a specific location in Portmore that very few people either know about or have actually visited. So they definitely want to stay tuned for that part of the project. Alright, what else? I have a food blog coming. I couldn't get the specific items that I wanted, until recently. So look out for that very soon also. Trust me people, I have a lot of ideas, which I've always been saying. I have a lot of ideas, for this channel, but as I say, I just opportunity sometimes, and then other times, we can't get all of the different people to really, do the video. But trust me people, I'm working, but I will definitely show like some hyperlapse videos and pictures and showing what I've been doing so far with the drone. So stay tuned to see that. I'm gonna say people, that project coming up very, very, very soon. Alright, so we did make sure say we get the drone, and then we want to register the company and just work out the itinerary and stuff. Because we really, really, really want to make a good impression with this Portmore video. I'm a Portmore person, so you don't know me have to represent to the fullest. You see it, so people, I'm here. Don't worry yourself, man. More videos definitely coming up. I'm gonna include the drone in all sorts of different footages, not only for this channel but the party channel, and obviously I'm gonna say the new channel. Yeah man, so the drone is actually now up and running, for real estate, home, business. It's available if you want to do a survey, people. So hit me up in the comments, or start a conversation on any of the community tabs, a temporary conversation that is, and we'll go from there. And it will also be available obviously, for the party videos, so that's both adult and kids. Alright, so trust me, if you don't want to get a real nice party video including drone footage and all of the works, hit me up people, I'm available now. Alright, so hope you guys enjoy this hyperlapse, video and pictures and this little collage and stuff that I really prepare for you. Alright, stay tuned people, I'm still here, active.
Sometimes I say that I want you back, but I don't know if I do. Sometimes I think about the good days we had, but there were bad days too. And I know love is like the phases of the moon. And I know we both moved on. Oh, that's la la life. That's la la life. Baby, let it be. Enjoy the memory. Oh, that's la la life. That's la la life. Love is like the phases of the moon. And I know